Here I have HUAWEI Enjoy 60X, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Contacts application, then tap on this icon here in the corner, go to its settings, and then go to the import or export. Select import from SIM, then select which contacts you want to import, could be them all, and then just tap on this import icon, then select phone, and after that these contacts will appear on in your phone's memory. So as you can see, I have like one on my SIM card and another one on my phone. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.